Dejounte Dashaun Murray is an American professional basketball player for the San Antonio Spurs of the National Basketball Association. He played one season of college basketball for the Washington Huskies, where he earned second-team All-Conference honors in the Pac-12 as a freshman in 2015-16. He was selected by the Spurs in the first round of the 2016 NBA draft with the 29th overall pick. In 2022, Murray was named to his first NBA All-Star game as an injury replacement for Draymond Green. Murray attended Rainier Beach High School in Seattle, Washington. The school is a basketball powerhouse, having produced such NBA talents as Jamal Crawford, Doug Christie, Terrence Williams, Nate Robinson and Kevin Porter Jr. Murray led the Vikings to 3 Class 3A state championships titles. Among other honors that he received, Murray was named Washington Mr. Basketball by the Washington Interscholastic Basketball Coaches Association as well as the Seattle Times State Player of the Year. As a freshman at the University of Washington in 2015-16, Murray was named second-team All-Pac-12 and Pac-12 All-Freshman Team after averaging 16.1 points, 5.9 rebounds, 4.4 assists and 1.8 steals in 33.5 minutes while starting all 34 games. On March 23, 2016, Murray declared for the NBA draft, foregoing his final 3 years of college eligibility. On June 23, 2016, Murray was selected by the San Antonio Spurs with the 29th overall pick in the 2016 NBA draft. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.